Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in the short wheelbase. This vehicle features only delivery miles on the vehicle and comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle comes finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Set into the front colour coordinated bumper is a set of front parking sensors complete with front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design, and as we approach the rear of the vehicle, it comes with the rear-loading barn doors. Located just below the VW badge is a rear-view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look into the load area, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found through a single sliding side load door on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. The driver's seat has 2 armrests, and the vehicle also comes with a twin-seater passenger bench. There is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, as well as 2 front heated seats, along with climatic air conditioning. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction and leather-trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customisable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.